In this tutorial, we will explore how to create an underwater sound effect using Davinci Resolve. Underwater sound effects have a distinct sound that adds depth to your visuals. So by following these steps, you can create underwater sound effects for all your projects. Now this is my footage right here, and I have a royalty-free music as well. Now select the portion where you want the effect to start. So I think this point right here is good for me. So I make a cut right here, and I'll make a cut right here, and I'm gonna bring this down. So this is the audio that we're going to be working. Now come to fairlight here. Let me just zoom in a bit. This is the audio that we need to work on, audio 3. Now come here to audio 3 and come to EQ, select band 6 and drag this all the way until you see the frequency to be like 350 to 400. That's the best EQ setting for underwater music. Now what I do is I drag this a little bit here and add in a fade to each of this. And if you have a video after this, you can do the same thing here. Now to really sell in the effect, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 2 sound effects right here. You can find royalty-free sound effects on Google or Epidemic Sound or whichever site it is. So if you combine all of these together, you'll have a nice underground sound effect. So I really hope this video helped you in some way. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. So for those who don't know, I'm Fenzer. I do travel, tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.